everyone, this is Jen from Mac. In this video, I will introduce
Datong HW11710ACL AMT transmission. Datong Gear Co. Limited was founded in 1958, mainly engaged in commercial vehicle transmission, engine gear OEM production, and construction machinery gear OEM production. The history covers an area of more than 1,000 acres.
the intelligent manual automatic transmission is
The integration of HW series mechanical transmission and electronically controlled pneumatic shift system.
the electronic pneumatic shift system includes shift handles.
Control system, actuator, and other components.
Datong HW11710ACL transmission is suitable for light
And medium-duty vehicles with a power range of 220 to 300 horsepower.
Datong HW11710ACL transmission requires
The vehicle to be equipped with an electronically controlled engine, CI communication system, ABS, and combined instruments.
Datong HW11710ACL transmission is composed of
A two-stage structure of the main box and the auxiliary box. The main box has 5 forward gears and the auxiliary box has 2 high and low gears. The maximum input torque is 1,200 Newton meter with 2,600 RPM maximum input speed. The transmission ratio is between 0.76 to 9.13. The overall dimension is 771 mm by 514 mm by 556 mm. The lubricating oil volume is 6 liters. It is equipped with aluminum case, and the total weight is 152 kilograms.
all of Datong AMT transmissions come.
With gear shift lever or shaft panel,
We also provide optional items including
gear shift lever, PTO, full power PTO, and retarder.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact Mac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.mac.com.